Okay, students, here you see a list of bibliographical items which I have randomly copy-pasted from the Chicago's Manual of Style webpage. Now, if you see, this list is not really reader-friendly because it's a little bit hard to see where one item starts and ends. Now, what often happens is that students number their bibliographical list, which is not something that is done in academic composition, academic writing. Using numbering is not okay. Okay, so forget about that. Instead, you want to make your bibliographical list more reader-friendly by, one, providing a spacing between the items. See, it's already looks much more reader-friendly. Also, you want to make or put these items into an alphabetical order by paragraphs, sorting by paragraphs. Okay, again, much easier to find the sources and identify them. But to really make this list, reference list, professional looking, again, select all. And within the paragraph setting, change the indentation from none or first line to the hanging line. What this does is basically align your first line to the left. Every second line is indented. This way, basically, the author names are really brought to the front, and it's easier for you, your readers, to identify your sources. Another thing I want to highlight for you is the placement of the dates. Okay, in each and every case, the date is placed in this bibliographical list following the Chicago's author date documenting system, immediately following the author's name. See, Austen Jane 2007. Now, the reason for this is that the date is actually the identifying element within your reference, in the text of your seminar paper, in the text of your thesis. So you are not referencing the title of your source, which can be quite long, okay, or even longer. In some cases, extensively so. So instead of that, you provide the date. So if your reader wants to look up what source you are referencing within the text, they will be looking the author's name and the date. So the date, the publication date, must always be the second item in your bibliographical list. Hope this helps a bit. Thank you for your attention.